Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. It is actually Thanksgiving morning today, and I have a lot to be thankful for, especially after contracting COVID back in August. I'm just happy I'm able to be here recording videos for you guys. I would say I'm about 80% back healed. I did have a blood clot in my lungs, and I think that slowed down the healing process for me. But I'm about 80% and hopefully be 100% soon. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys about an issue that I've come across on my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Just recently, after towing my vehicle, after towing my side-by-side trailer, my rear locker indicator light started blinking, and it basically was saying that the locker was engaged when it wasn't engaged. It just blinks. It tells me that engaged, but I can't turn it off. And apparently this is a common issue with the 2020 Gladiators, especially if you've re-geared, and I have re-geared. I'm running 513 gears now, and so I found a fix for it. Apparently what happens is the sensor starts to go bad, and the thing to do is to replace that sensor. However, you can't get sensors for them. They're on national back order. The second thing to do to fix it would be to replace the entire locker assembly. Same thing there. Worst case is you replace the entire axle, which financially just doesn't make sense. However, Z-Automotive came out with a fix for it, and I went ahead and got this from Z-Automotive, and what it does is it actually plugs in to the actual locker sensor, and it bypasses the OEM sensor and starts sending the correct signals to the dash. So it should fix that issue, and it also should allow you to run your locker correctly. Okay, so let's install this. I'm going to show you how to install this. It's literally a plug and play. Connects to the OEM location, uses its own sensor to send signals back to the dash, and allows you to work the locker the way it should be ran. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, so literally you just take this connection here, this OEM connection, you pull this gray pin out, and then you pull it off just like that. Now you plug this end, the long end, to this side. Till it snaps in like so, and then you lock it in, and then the short end goes back where the OEM connector was until it snaps in. Push the gray piece in, and now it's locked. One thing I'm going to do is I'm probably going to zip tie this out here so it doesn't get into the hot axle when it's warm, and just get it out of the way. But that is it. That is the complete install right there. So hopefully this works out for me. Okay, as you can see, the indicator light is now gone. I will drive this for another week or so, maybe a couple days, a week, and let you guys know how it's gone for me so far. So after weeks of testing, taking the vehicle off-road, engaging the locker, disengaging the locker, actually towing with the vehicle, I've had no issues. So it looks like, once again, Z-Automotive has come through for us with the Z-Locker. So if any of you guys are experiencing that same issue, I highly recommend going with the Z-Locker from Z-Automotive. It seemed to do the trick for me, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. And until next time, we'll see you out in the trail. And remember, take life by the horns.